Let's take a look at the screw anchor. This is the simplest of mechanical anchors. It is made of one component, consists of hardened threads over a ductile core. The operating principle for this anchor is when installed into the appropriately sized drilled hole, the threads will cut into the concrete, locking the anchor mechanically into the concrete with the screw threads. Confirming with the product packaging, we confirm that the product is correct as per the product specification. We have the right product for the job. Secondly, after consulting the project documentation, we confirm that we are after an embedment depth of 80 millimeters. According to the manufacturer's installation instructions, a drilled hole depth of 100 millimeters will give us adequate coverage to complete the installation. Having confirmed a desired drill hole depth of 100 millimeters, we measure that out, mark it with our tape on the drill bit, and we're good to drill the hole. Align our drill bits, ensuring perpendicularity to the work surface in two planes, and commence drilling with dust management in place. In this case, we'll use the dust blower to demonstrate hole cleaning. One blow, one brush, one blow. Now that we have our hole prepared, place the fixture over the hole, start our screw anchor into the drilled hole. If we are to use an impact driver to set the anchor, use it to travel the anchor the majority of the way down to the fixture, but pause shy of the fixture. We want to complete the installation using a calibrated torque wrench. Having rattled it in, we can now see that we've pulled up short of the fixture. We can now complete the application of torque using the calibrated torque wrench. And there it is.